Tips for making money online with affiliate marketing. Diversify your income streams. Expanding on the importance of diversifying your income streams in affiliate marketing, it's crucial not to rely solely on one affiliate program or product. By diversifying, you can minimize the risks associated with depending on a single source of revenue and ensure a more stable and consistent income stream for your business. Here are some key points to consider when diversifying your income streams. Promote a variety of products. Instead of solely focusing on one product or brand, consider promoting a range of products within your niche. This allows you to cater to different audience preferences and needs, expanding your potential customer base. By offering a variety of products, you increase the likelihood of attracting a wider range of consumers and increasing your overall sales. Explore different affiliate programs. Look beyond one affiliate program and explore different options available in your niche. Join multiple affiliate programs that align with your target audience's interests and preferences. This not only provides you with a greater selection of products to promote but also gives you the opportunity to compare commission rates, product quality, and affiliate support offered by different programs. By diversifying your affiliate programs, you can identify the most lucrative partnerships and maximize your earning potential. Consider different monetization options. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be limited to promoting products. Explore other monetization options such as sponsored content, display advertising, or creating and selling your own digital products or services. By diversifying your income streams, you can tap into multiple revenue sources and generate income from various channels. This provides you with more financial stability and flexibility in your affiliate marketing business. Test and track performance. As you diversify your income streams, it's important to track the performance of each product, affiliate program, or monetization option. Monitor metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated for each stream. This data will help you identify which products or programs are performing well and which ones may require adjustments or discontinuation. By analyzing the performance of each income stream, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources and focus your efforts. Stay attuned to market trends. Keep an eye on emerging trends, new products, and changing consumer preferences within your niche. By staying updated on market trends, you can identify new opportunities for diversifying your income streams. For example, if there is a growing demand for digital courses in your niche, you could consider creating and selling your own course to complement your affiliate marketing efforts. By staying attuned to market trends, you can capitalize on new revenue-generating opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, diversifying your income streams in affiliate marketing is a strategic approach that minimizes risks and maximizes your earning potential. By promoting a variety of products, exploring different affiliate programs, and considering alternative monetization options, you can create a sustainable and resilient business model. Continuously monitor and analyze the performance of each income stream to make data-driven decisions and adapt your strategies accordingly. With a diversified approach, you can ensure a steady flow of revenue and long-term success in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment,